How to enable the pop-up on key press, and this is for the Baidu keyboard found on mainly Chinese model smartphones, okay? So if you're looking to enable this here, here's where you can go to do this. So let's say you're about to start typing and your Baidu keyboard pops up. Hopefully I pronounced the name right. You'll see this icon right here. And when you tap on that, you'll want to go to the part that says settings. That'll take you to the main settings of this Baidu keyboard. And you'll go to where it says keyboard settings. This one right here. Let me just get a little closer so you can see that. You're going to go to the one that says keyboard settings. When you tap on that here, you're going to see all these different options. So go down until you see key prompt. Make sure this one is enabled, the one that says key prompt. Once that's enabled, you'll now be able to get that pop-up effect every time you're typing. So I'll show you that again. And when we're typing here, you'll see that there's going to be a pop-up on key press. So if you've been looking for that for this keyboard in particular, that's where you would go to enable it. Like I said,